Best desk phone stands improve viewing comfort, reduce neck strain, keep devices accessible, and create a cleaner, more organized workspace. My today's video is about top 5 best desk phone stands that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Lamicall Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. The Lamicall Desk Phone Stand is a practical and stylish accessory that brings real convenience to everyday use. Its universal compatibility with 4 to 8-inch smartphones makes it a versatile choice for iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and many other devices, even when using a protective case. This flexibility means you can upgrade phones without needing a new stand. Designed as an ideal desktop partner, it provides a comfortable viewing angle for video calls, streaming, reading messages, browsing recipes, or following tutorials hands-free. It helps reduce constant phone handling while keeping your screen easily visible. The premium aluminum alloy construction gives the stand a sleek, modern appearance that blends well with office desks, bedside tables, or kitchen counters. It feels durable and sturdy rather than cheap or flimsy. Its low center of gravity ensures excellent stability, while the anti-slip rubber pads protect your device from scratches and prevent sliding. Overall, the Lamicall phone stand is a reliable, elegant, and highly functional solution for improving comfort and organization in daily smartphone use. Now our second product is Nulaxi Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand. This phone stand is a smart, everyday accessory that combines versatility, portability, and dependable stability. With universal compatibility for 4 to 8-inch smartphones and e-readers, it easily supports iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, Nintendo Switch, Kindle, and many other popular models. That wide range makes it a practical choice for households with multiple devices. Its fully adjustable and collapsible design is one of its biggest strengths. You can set the perfect viewing angle for watching videos, gaming, FaceTime calls, reading recipes, or attending meetings, then fold it flat for travel or storage. It's ideal for both home and office use. Built from premium aluminum, the stand feels sturdy and well-made. It stays firmly in place without wobbling, giving your device a secure resting spot. The anti-slip rubber pads add extra protection by preventing scratches and unwanted movement. Another standout feature is its case-friendly hook width, allowing many phones with thicker protective cases to fit without removal. Overall, this stand delivers excellent convenience, durability, and comfort in a compact design. Our third product is App's 2-car phone stand for desk. This upgraded desk phone stand stands out for its exceptional stability, smart adjustability, and user-friendly design. Built with a 3-sided pinch grip, weighted metal base, and secure cradle, it holds your phone firmly without wobbling, tipping, or slipping. It feels far more dependable than lightweight plastic stands. The adjustable arm and 360 degrees pivot ball joint provide excellent flexibility. With height extension up to 6 inches, you can easily position your phone at eye level for a more ergonomic setup, helping reduce neck strain and back discomfort during long viewing sessions. Its full vertical and landscape support is especially useful for video calls, streaming, reading, browsing, or social media scrolling. You can quickly switch orientations without hassle. The one-hand operation feature adds real convenience. Simply press the rear button to open the cradle, place your phone inside, and squeeze the sidearms to lock it securely. Compatible with most smartphones in cases under 0.8 inches thick, this stand is perfect for desks, kitchens, bedside tables, and workspaces. Overall, it offers premium stability, comfort, and daily practicality. Now number 4, iKNOW 360 Rotating Phone Holder. This desk phone stand combines premium functionality with modern aesthetics, making it an excellent addition to any workspace. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it features a sleek integrated base with a hidden rotating mechanism that gives it a clean, refined look. The balanced mix of rectangular and circular design elements adds a stylish touch to desks, nightstands, or office setups. Its dual metal damping hinge is a standout feature, allowing smooth height and angle adjustments for the perfect viewing position. Designed with a notebook-style metal shaft, the hinge is made from high-strength alloy and tested for up to 10,000 uses, offering dependable long-term performance for years. The heavy-duty 6mm aluminum base is thicker than many standard stands, delivering excellent stability while supporting full 360 degrees rotation. This makes it easy to switch between portrait and landscape views or share your screen with others. Silicone padding at all contact points protects your phone from scratches and slipping. With its foldable, travel-friendly design, this stand is ideal for both everyday desk use and on-the-go convenience. And our last choice is Xiaoshuang Adjustable Aluminum Phone Stand. This adjustable phone stand delivers the kind of stability many cheaper stands fail to provide. With its weighted base and reinforced hinges, it stays firmly in place while you tap, scroll, type, or swipe. There's no annoying wobble or tipping, which makes daily use far more comfortable and reliable. The lift and tilt design is especially useful for improving posture. By raising your device to eye level, it helps reduce constant downward neck strain during work calls, browsing, or extended video watching. It turns any desk into a more ergonomic workspace. Its dual hinge adjustment system gives you excellent flexibility, allowing you to fine-tune both height and viewing angle to match your setup perfectly. Whether seated at a desk or standing at a counter, it adapts easily. The 360 degrees rotating base is another standout feature, letting you switch between portrait and landscape mode in seconds, ideal for meetings, reading, streaming, or multitasking. Compatible with most phones and tablets from 4 to 11 inches, it also includes soft silicone padding for a secure, scratch-free grip. Overall, it's practical, sturdy, and highly versatile. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.